Basic operations on matrices. There are four basic operations on matrices. They are matrix addition, subtraction, matrix multiplication with the constant value, and product of two matrices. Please note that matrix division is not defined. Let's discuss each operations. First one is matrix addition. In order to add two matrices, following condition must be satisfied. Order of two matrices must be same, otherwise addition doesn't exist. Then addition can be performed by adding corresponding elements together. Finally, same order matrix would be the result as the resultant matrix. Let's consider two general matrices with the same order m by n and the addition of two matrices A plus B equal to matrix which has the same order, adding corresponding elements together. Let's move to example. Consider the matrices given here as A and P. Then what is A plus B? See how to get the answer for A plus B, adding corresponding elements together. First, check whether two matrices satisfies the condition to be added. Order of matrix A is 2 by 2 and order of matrix B is again 2 by 2. Therefore, both matrices has same order, then addition can be performed. 1 is the element in first row, first column in matrix A and corresponding element to this in matrix B is the element in first row, first column 5. Then add 5 and 1 together, it is 6. 5 is the element in first row, second column in matrix A and corresponding element to this in matrix B is the element in first row, second column in matrix B, that is 3. Then we can add 5 and 3 together, it is 8. 4 is the element in second row, first column in matrix A and the corresponding element to this in matrix B is the element in second row, first column, it is 4. Then add 4 and 4 together, it is 8. 8 is the element in second row, second column in matrix A and the corresponding element to this in matrix B is the element in second row, second column, that is 1. Then add 8 and 1 together, it is 9. So final answer is matrix with the elements 6, 8, 8, 9. Second one is matrix subtraction. In order to get the difference of two matrices, again following condition must be satisfied. Order of two matrices must be same. Otherwise, subtraction doesn't exist as similar to the addition. Then again, subtraction can be performed by subtracting corresponding elements together. Finally, we will get same order matrix as the resultant matrix. Let's consider two general matrices with the same order m by n. Then subtraction of two matrices A minus B equal to matrix which has the same order, subtracting corresponding elements together. Moving to example, let's consider two matrices given here we used in previous addition, matrix A and matrix B. Then what is matrix A minus matrix B? See how to get the answer for A minus B subtracting corresponding elements together. First, check whether two matrices satisfies the condition to be subtracted. Order of matrix A is 2 by 2 and order of matrix B is 2 by 2. Therefore, both has the same order and subtraction can be performed. 1 is the element in first row, first column in matrix A, and corresponding element to this in matrix B is the element in first row, first column, it is 5. Then subtract 5 from 1, it is minus 4. 5 is the element in first row, second column in matrix A, and corresponding element to this in matrix B is the element in first row, second column, that is 3. Then subtract 3 from 5, it is 2. 4 is the element in second row, first column in matrix A, and corresponding element to this in matrix B is the element in second row, first column, it is 4. Then subtract 4 from 4, that is 0. 8 is the element in second row, second column in matrix A, and the corresponding element to this one is 1. Then subtract 8 from 1, it is minus 7. So answer is the matrix which has the elements minus 4, 2, 0, minus 7. Consider another example, again matrix A and matrix B, and you are supposed to find A plus B and A minus B. So first check the condition to be satisfied, the addition and subtraction, and we can see both matrix A and B has the same order 3 by 3. Therefore, we can perform addition and subtraction of these two matrices, and adding corresponding elements together, we can obtain the addition of these two matrices as given here. Subtracting the corresponding elements together of the given two matrices A and B, we can obtain the answer for A minus B as given here. Let's move to matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication discuss basic two topics as multiplying a matrix by a scalar and multiplying a matrix by another matrix. First one, multiplying a matrix by scalar value. Here, scalar is a number. It's not a matrix. Also here, the matrix can be take any order. How do we multiply scalar with a matrix? In this case, we have to multiply all elements in the matrix by the scalar value. Moving to example, let's consider general matrix A which has the elements A, B, C, D and order 2 by 2. Let's consider matrix KA, that is the multiplication of matrix by a constant value, scalar value K. So what is the answer for KA? That is matrix which has the element multiplying with the constant K. So answer is as given here, Ka equal, in the matrix all the element has multiplied with the constant value K. Let's move to another example. Here matrix A has given Let's move to another example and show the Let's move to another example. Matrix A is given here which has the order 2 by 2 and elements 9, 5, 9, 8. What is 3A? Here 3A means matrix A has multiplied with constant value 3, scalar value 3. So how do we obtain matrix 3A? Multiplying all the elements inside the matrix A by 3. So when we multiply all elements inside the matrix by 3, we can obtain 3 into 9, 3 into 5, 3 into 9, 3 into 8. Answer 27, 15, 27, 24. Finally, matrix 3A equal to elements 27, 15, 27, 24, and the matrix has the order 2 by 2. Let's consider another matrix. Again, matrix A has order 2 by 2 and elements inside the matrix are 4, 2, 1, minus 3. We are supposed to obtain minus 2A. How do we obtain these? We have to multiply matrix A by minus 2. So answer is we have to multiply all the elements inside the matrix A by minus 2. So answer is minus 2 into 4, minus 2 into 2, minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into minus 3. So minus 2A equal the elements minus 8, minus 4, minus 2, 6. Let's discuss multiplying a matrix by another matrix. To get the product of two matrices, again following condition should be satisfied. Suppose we have two matrices as A and B. Product of A and B exists if and only if number of columns of matrix A equals to number of rows of matrix B. Otherwise, AB doesn't exist. But to multiply a matrix by another matrix, we need to do the dot product of rows and columns. What does that mean? Consider the example given here, matrix A and matrix B. It is required to get product of matrix A and B as denoted AB. First, check whether two matrices satisfies the condition to get the product. Order of matrix A is 2 by 3 and order of matrix B is 3 by 2. Then number of columns of matrix A is 3 and number of rows of matrix B is 3. So numbers are same. Therefore, matrix multiplication is possible. In matrix multiplication, always multiply rows into columns. From matrix A, consider the first row, and from matrix B, consider the first column, and get the dot product between these two. The dot product is where we multiply matching numbers and then take the summation. To work out the answer for first row and first column, getting the dot product of first row and first column as 2 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply 4 plus 3 multiply minus 1 equal to 7. Then take first row and second column of matrix B. Then 2 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply minus 4 plus 3 multiply 0 equal to minus 4. Now we can move to second row and consider the first column of the matrix B. Now perform the dot product. It is 0 multiply 1 plus 1 multiply 4 plus 1 multiply minus 1. It is equal to 3. Finally, multiply second row in first matrix with the second column of the second matrix. Then dot product is 0 multiply 1 plus 1 multiply minus 3 plus 1 multiply 0. It is equal to minus 3. So final answer is shown here. It is 7 minus 4, 3, 3 with the resultant order 2 by 2.